What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cam. Welcome back to Baggers and Bourbon. So today we're going to do a quick product review. We're going to be reviewing the Pittsburg ATV/motorcycle lift. This is a 1,500 pound capacity lift. This lift is great for like when you're washing your bike, doing quick adjustments to your motorcycle, especially if you're installing like some lower fairing lights. You just want to make sure that your bike is level. So today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use. So what you're going to do is roll it straight up under the bike right here. Basically make sure everything is on that frame underneath, right? You're going to grab the handlebar right here, and it's simple. Take your foot, crank, boom. It's going to start coming off the ground. The next thing you know, give it a couple more pumps, a couple more, and boom. She's floating. She in the air, right? So then you're going to take this thing, lower it down. This is what's going to lock your bike in place. Hit it like this. Now she locked in. She locked in on the level. She ain't going nowhere. Quite sturdy. Guess what? Boom. She in the air. So I wanted to show you guys that quick little tip right there. So also today we're gonna be installing the custom dynamics lower fairing lights for your Harley Davidson Touring. Of course, you know your Harley Davidson Touring models, they got the lowers, which is, my bike is also twin cooled. So today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to install these lights. Be tuned. All right, boom. So we're going to start off with a 1/8 right here. 1/8 Allen. We'll go ahead and loosen these up to take the windshield off. We're not going to take the screws all the way out. We just want to loosen them up a tad bit so when we take our actual fairing off, this don't drop all the way down. There's still something in place holding it there. We got action. Boom. And it's off. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect our side marker lights. Right here, we're going to be taking a 3/16. And then we're going to go ahead and loosen these up, get these on off. All right, so we're going to go ahead and use a T25. Loosen up these two screws right here. Bingo. We're going to go ahead and do the other side. All right, now, don't be trying to look at my bike, get the engine sauce, baby. Don't be trying to get the sauce, dog. Don't be trying to get it. Got this side off. Once you pop these grills off right here, I believe you're going to be alternating between T25s up here, somewhere down here, and then you're going to need a T27 for these two in here on each side of the speaker grill. We'll leave these, put these back in here just until we take those screws out so it don't hit the floor. All right, now, so we got the front off. We're gonna go ahead and take the two lower fairings out. We're gonna go ahead and pull those out really quick. And again, these are simple. They're simple to get out. And again, I got my handy dandy little hook. Simple. Simple. You got all them damn bugs all up in your grill, but we got them out there quick. Bingo. All right, so as you can see, we fished this right here. What I did was I figured out a way. I fished it through here, all the way through the backside, and kind of fished it all the way up through my cooler. And it's coming out right here. That way, I don't have too many wires showing. It's protected from the elements. And I can go ahead and kind of, you know, stick it down to, you know, up in here. That way, I still have a little bit of motion. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these little clamps that they provided me with. Bingo. Stick that on up in here. Take me a good old, another one. And of course, we're gonna tidy it, you know, we're gonna tidy this thing up once we actually get everything in and wired up. Yep. Bingo. She in. All right. So of course we're gonna pull that in, pull some slack through a little bit more. Hey, boy. She in there. Got her. She on up in there. She buttoned up. All right. Let's say I would possibly stick one more of these somewhere, probably right here. All right, now she in there. All right, so I'm back. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the wire right here. I'm plugging it into this connector here. What you're then going to do, you're going to come up here. You're going to take this white auxiliary one. You're going to place it in here. So what we're going to do is remove this cap right here on your auxiliary piece. Connect that right here. Connect this in here. You're going to complete the circuit. You're then going to come right here. You're going to have your, I believe this is your male adapter. You're going to plug it over on in here. All right, let's turn it on, see what we got. And we got action. All right, so everything's lit up. So what I'm going to do, once I put that fairing back on, I'm going to plug that male adapter over here into this one, and that'll complete everything, and everything will be lit up. But what we're going to do here for right now is tidy everything back up really, really neat, and then we're going to go from there. Oh, also, you got to plug in the fangs, baby. Plug in the fangs. Boom, we got light. There we go. All right, so we're back. So this is the moment of truth. We're going to cut this thing on and see what we got. Bingo, all lights come on. Let's check the right turn signal. Everything going good. Let's come on over here, check this left one. Everything going good. Let's see what we look like with the hazards on. Everything going good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. So this was the custom dynamic lower fairing lights. We did this one. I'll be back more, showing you different things as I progress on. And also I'm going to take you through a step-by-step review of my garage, the different type of lifts that I have in here, what I got in my toolboxes, what I got in my cabinets and everything. So be tuned.